In this video, I'm going to show you how to download your email design made in Canva into Mailchimp, or download it as an HTML so you can upload it to Mailchimp and use it there. So in your email design, click on Share at the top right, and then click on Mailchimp, and then click on Download. So once you download it as an HTML, you can export it to Mailchimp. So here's downloading. And once it's done, just open it, save it wherever you want. I'm going to save it in downloads. And then let's go to where it is here. And now you can export. So let's right click and then extract, extract. And then let's delete this old. And there it is. And now you have your email as an HTML file. You can click on it to test it. As you can see, this works perfectly. Everything is there. And yep, that's it for this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.